All right. Like I said before, you don't need to put anything online to test it. You can test offline if you want to, but if you want to test it online, you can. Just gonna show you rapidly. Before that, maybe the here the the selection system for the level might not work correctly. I'm not sure yet because there's always been just one level. So if I add one, will it work correctly? I don't know because that wasn't tested yet. So once we have one more, we could test it right here. But this is this system here. I'm just gonna go back here. The way it works is the character itself will create a room and will set a number of people required to enter the room before being able to enter the room. So that's the reason I was saying that I might have to change the system to be more flexible for what Fabio proposed, like the little big planet. Right now, it wouldn't work at all that way. Um, the entire game has to be either 2 or 3 or 4 player for it to work. Otherwise, he has to literally everyone has to disconnect and reconnect to change. If I just show you very quickly how to connect, you press play, and then here, the last name you entered will remain in memory. So let's say Shiro, join lobby. Then you enter, then rise lobby. So I create a room. Say I call it desert, and I want it to maxed out at 3 player. And then I create room. Now the room exists. I'm inside the room, and I see who is logged in, and Shiro is logged in. So now I play the build. Okay. Just took some time before loading. Play. Let's player. Okay. Let's say my name is Karen, and I join lobby. You see? Now I see the room that was created, and I notice one person on 3 connected. So what I want, maybe as another player, is not to enter that room because I want to create my own room. And I'll call this room Forest. And you need 2 people to enter. And I create a room. Now I'm inside my own room and we see that I'm logged in. Um, Wait, because now I'm full screen. Okay. Sorry about that. Windowed. Then I start another build. Now we have to wait again. Press play. Online multiplayer. All right. Steve. Now you see all the rooms that were created. So if I enter the room with the forest, now we see that Karen and Steve are connected together in the same room. But I don't have a start button. Why? Because I'm not the one who created the room. The only person who has the start button, it's the same room, is the one who actually created the room. Right now, there's a syncing problem between the client and server, and the start button didn't become clickable, and it should be clickable. That's one of the bugs that I found. But if I made the server if you made the one who created the room inside the editor, you can just go in the scene level and just make it force it interactable, and then you can enter the scene. But that's how you usually when the start level works, you just press on it and you're okay. Otherwise, I just leave the scene and then you see it doesn't exist anymore because I left it and I was the one who created the room. So I'm not there anymore. Steve is there, and that's it. Everyone has been thrown out of that room, and now I can join that room. That's it. That's how it works. And like I was saying, when the button, wait, I'm in the editor right now, so I should be able to do it from here. So you see that this here, that's what was supposed to become active, but it just didn't. And when I press on it, I end up here. Now all you have to do is to select your player with all of the others too and everything, and then you just enter the scene, and the game starts. And the game starts with for every character that was logged in. You see now the player tree is here. Now I'm using an old build, so it's basically still the controls for mobile that are there, but that doesn't matter. Whether it's the control for mobile or the main one, it's going to work anyway. Right here. So everyone has been connected. And if you work, oh, oh yeah, I know why that is. Yeah, because I didn't start from the right way. If the inventory system is not being detected. Still some things to correct, but that's how you connect to the game online.